Hi, Ben Simon here, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about product demonstration videos. If you make or sell products on the internet, then you really should be making product demonstration videos. Video is a great way to show off the product because it's so visual. It's like actually doing a demonstration to someone in person. Or at least it's the second best thing to that. But the one thing that video has is you make it once and it can be viewed thousands of times. Okay, so in your product demo, you're going to want 5 different elements. First one is introduce your product or brand. Secondly, talk about who the product is aimed at. Thirdly, go through the product demo. So fourthly, cover the main features of the product, but also back each feature up with a benefit. If you're doing a demo of a waterproof bag and you're talking about the feature being the material it's made out of, the benefit is keeping your clothes or your belongings dry and safe. And lastly, the 5th thing to add is a call to action. Ask the person at the end to visit your website or click on a link or whatever it is you want them to do. Now, it's really important to make sure that you use generic titles for your videos in YouTube. So one of my clients, Overboard, manufacture waterproof bags. Now we use generic terms like waterproof dry tube bag or waterproof backpack or waterproof duffel bag. And we made sure that those keywords were in the title, in the description and in the tags. And of course, if you type any of those keywords in, guess who comes top? We did add their brand name in there, but only at the very end of the title. Now, Google puts more emphasis on the first words of a title, so that's where you want your main keywords. So far, they've had over 350,000 views over all their products, so they're dominating YouTube for those keywords. If you find it difficult performing to camera, you could get a friend or colleague to interview you, asking you questions to evoke the answers that you want to get across. The main features, the main benefits, who the product's for, that sort of stuff. And that means that you can concentrate on them. You don't have to be looking into the camera lens, which makes it a lot more like a real product demo at an exhibition or something like that. Something you're probably used to, and you might find that you'll get a much better performance. If you have many products in your range, try making a product video for each of your products and have it on the product page of your site. Also, once they're uploaded to YouTube, you're going to find that they'll send traffic to your website. Be sure to put your full web address with the HTTPs at the top of your description, and that will mean that people will be able to click through to your website, but also it will help your website rankings because of the backlink coming from your YouTube video page. It would be a good idea to get some customer testimonials and tag those on the end of the product demo, just to show that you have real customers that use your product, like it, and recommend it to others. It's an extremely powerful way of building your brand, showing off your product, and driving traffic to your site. I have a free ebook, 20 ways to make better video. Just click the link below this video, enter your details, and I'll send you your free copy. Please give me a like, share it with a friend you feel that will benefit from the tips, and click this button to subscribe to my channel and receive more videos like this one. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below this video. This is Ben Simon for Media Brighton TV, signing off. Thanks for watching.